How's it going, everyone? So in this video we will be making a belly fat, love handles, side fat workout to get rid of all those three things. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be standing twists. We'll do 15 reps, 10 sets, 150 total repetitions, which is quite a bit of volume. But this exercise isn't too intense, so we can get away with doing a little more volume. So let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, woo, just like that. So yeah, some things that I was thinking about lately is that I've been kind of punching all the numbers into my investment calculator, and if I can continue what I'm doing for 4 years, then I will be 100% set for life. So that's 4 years. I just got to continue what I'm doing, and then I can do YouTube and my investments. I can just do that full time. And even that, if something happens with my investments or YouTube, I'll still have new investments that will allow me to retire for my life. So 4 years, maybe 5 years, because next year is all about paying off the mortgage, and then I can start. So again, I'm hoping I can get another 5 good years out of YouTube and another 5 good years out of my current investments. If that happens, I will be really, really happy. So okay, because again, YouTube investments, super good money, like very, very high, but at the same time, I don't want to have to rely on anything just because a job is 100% stable. Anything can happen to YouTube, anything can happen to the investment. So I want something that's 100% stable. And again, after those 4 years are done, I'm just going to allow my other investments and then to work on my YouTube. But at the same time, if something happens, I still have these new investments to fall back on. So that's kind of the plan. Good news too is I know I've been talking about finding a new job. Again, my job's going to be done either next February or next September. I've been super nervous about this, but I do have an opportunity to stay at the company just in a similar role, just doing something a little bit differently. But you have to there's only going to be a certain amount of positions available for that. I'm hoping 5 positions, but I think there might only be 4, and it goes based on seniority. So the longer you've been there, the higher that's how it goes in order. So the longer you've been there, that's how they pick. The thing is, I worked at this company before, and then I quit, and then I came back. So when you quit, you lose your seniority. If I would have stayed there, I would have been number 3. Right now I'm number 5. So really hoping if that happens, then I have another 5 years. So that would be super sweet. I would be so happy because the role is easier. It's an easier role, but you get the same pay. So we will see. A lot of stuff can happen in the next year, a lot of stuff. So we will see how things go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is my 5th video of the day. I'm cruising along. I've actually made 5 videos in 1 hour. So that's the reason for that is because my first 3 videos were only 5 minutes long, and now these are 10 minutes long. So I got a height growth workout after this, 5 minutes long. Chest fat workout, 10 minutes long. Whistling video, 5 minutes long. Hickey video, 3. Then thigh fat, arm fat, 6-pack, and Kegels, all 10 minutes long. I also added a new topic. I've added arm fat. So we will be doing arm fat workouts. It's going to consist of arm circles, pushing against the wall, maybe a static push-up position, a stretch, and then That's all I've came up with so far. I'll have to look into some other exercises, but those are the 5 that I came up with so far. That'll allow me to make that'll allow me to make 5 videos before I have to come up with some new exercises. I'd like to get about 20 exercises in. That's the thing, for each video topic I do, I try to get in at least 20 exercises. Right now I got around 20 video topics, so every video topic you'll see once a week. So if I have 20 different exercises, you will see the same exercise every roughly 6 months. So that's really good. You're not going to see the same exercise for 6 months. That's kind of what I like to do. And yeah, it makes it good, so I have a ton of quality and I have a ton of content, I should say. I have unlimited amount of content. Whenever someone asks me, how do you have so many videos? Like, what do you do? And I just tell them, like, I have unlimited content. Like, I can never run out of content ever. The reason for that is, let's say the 6 months comes up and we're doing the same exercise again. What I could technically do is just do the exact same thing. But I mean, it's my channel. I can do whatever the heck I want. And it's my workouts. So you don't think people that work out do the same routine like once every couple of weeks? They do it once a week, probably the exact same routine. I'm doing a different routine every 6 months. So yeah, but what can happen is I can do the same exercise. Then for 6 months later, what I could do is just change the repetitions up. The next 6 months, change the sets up. Next 6 months, change up the time under tension. Next 6 months, change up the range of motion. Like, you can go like 5 years in a row before you come back to the same exercise and do the exact same thing. So the amount of content is endless. You'll never run out of workout routine material ever. And that's doing 3 videos per day, I might add. And again, 3 videos per day is the best upload frequency for me. I think I am the only fitness YouTuber right now that is doing 3 videos per day, aside from Jason Blaha. Jason Blaha, I know, does 5 videos per day, but his videos aren't really workout tutorials. His videos are more talking about the fitness industry, and then I think he does a couple of videos per day about him actually showing him working out. So all the power to him. He's doing really good on his channel. I looked, I have more subscribers than him already, but he has more video views than me. He has 76 million video views. So that's very good. He's helped out quite a few people. And maybe one day he'll talk about me in one of his videos, because I see a lot of times he talks about different fitness YouTubers in his videos. So we will see. I think that would be pretty cool to be on other people's channels, but I wonder what people would say about me. Would they be like, oh, he's super cool, or oh, he's not good at all, or something like that? I don't care. I'm not really into all that. I know a lot of fitness YouTubers, they collaborate, they meet each other, they go to like Vegas and party, they go to all these different plane trips. I'm not like that at all. I stay at home, I do my own thing. I don't get into all the drama with the fitness YouTubers and stuff. And again, I don't even know if I would consider myself a big fitness YouTuber yet. Well, I kind of would, because I'm starting to pass a lot of these people for subscribers. Like, if you're watching this video right now, this is May. Like, this video is getting uploaded in May, but it's getting made, today's February 9th. So it's getting made 3 months in advance, March, April, May, 3 months in advance. So by these 3 months, today I have 151,000 subs. In those 3 months, I should be roughly around 170 to 180,000 subs. So I've already passed Jason Blaha. I will pass Alpha Destiny. I will soon pass Nick Wright. And closing in, I think Max Tuning has about 300,000 subs. So I will be closing in on him too. Some people that I'm still really far away from are Omar, Ezoff, Christian Guzman. Those are kind of the only fitness YouTubers I really follow that much. Oh, Kali Muscle, no, like he has a ton. I think he has 2 million subs. So those are the ones that are really far away, some that will be very tough to hit. But again, all these other ones, like Nick Wright, Alpha Destiny, Jason, I already passed Jason, but Nick Wright, Alpha Destiny, Max Tuning, coming for you guys. Yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.